Happy New Year. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and thank you so much for stay connected still now with me and started a new journey with me. So in the new years we are going to start new journey. We are going to learn new skill. We are going to take new experience. So this YouTube channel especially for all of the Shopify store owner, especially Shopify lover and who just started their online business, wanted to sell something on online, then everyone follow this YouTube channel. I have already published 1,000+ video on my YouTube channel, including long and shorts video, everything relevant Shopify online store design, development, customization, also SEO. As I have started my career as a WordPress developer at the beginning of my career, that's why you will find easy solution of complex website design development project like make with WordPress and website like multi-vendor membership subscription base or selling courses to students or make a large type of website. So overall I continuously working on it and what's my plan in 2026. Everything changed, everything updated, and Shopify also changed. Shopify is totally changes because if you check my video, for example, I have published it on 2021 and you right now watching in 2026, you can see that there is huge difference in the interface, coding structure, also the dashboard looks like totally different because Shopify focused on AI, especially for Shopify user who don't know coding, who don't know technology, who don't know anything about the AI, just he want to run her business smoothly. So that's why I think my old video is not working perfectly in this recent days because everything updated. That's why I have to make the update video for everyone, and this is my goal, this is my passion, and I am doing this for a long time, more than 6 years working as a Shopify developer and more than 12 years working as a WordPress developer. So my fashion skill experience is just shared by with this YouTube channel with all of you. So what's my plan in 2026 to do? In 2026 my goal is to keep focus on AI, not only AI, it's fully focused based on Shopify store with AI. Okay, so in this years you are going to learn from me, especially Shopify plus AI, SEO plus AI, and latest term and trends of AI to use on SEO to rank your store product and collection at the first page of any search engine like AI, like a Google, Yahoo, Bing, everywhere, even YouTube. So this is my ultimate goal, to keep everything connected with AI, make everything easy. Also, as I share my complex experience or hard experience like coding part, Shopify development, Shopify theme design, customization, and especially create a new section that is not really available on Shopify free theme. This type coding solution I will publish on this YouTube channel and everyone will enjoy. So this is just a quick message because I want to keep myself regular on this YouTube channel. I want to keep myself connected all of you, and I wish from today everyone support me. If you get any benefit, any information, any helpful tips from my YouTube channel, so I have shared my plan, and I think you should share your plan on the comment. What you are going to do, what's your previous years main problems, and what's your plan to fix this issue. So thank you so much. We will grow together, we'll learn together, we'll improve our skill, and we'll make more money in this years, and we'll reach our goal, especially in this year. And we believe this year is for us. So stay connected and let's go together. Happy New Year again and have a nice day. Bye bye. Enjoy.